welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Taylor, and mostly I do makeup, but today I'm doing a completely different video because it's almost 4th of July, and if you can't tell by my makeup and my shirt, I'm really excited. So I'm going to my boyfriend's house for 4th of July, and I thought, what am I gonna wear? And I was like, crap, I don't have anything to wear. And I've been watching a lot of DIYs lately, so I figured why not do it myself and figure out something that I really want to wear, something that will be like super cute and nobody else is gonna have it. So first thing I did is I went to Goodwill and picked up these jeans, and they look like this. They're Lee Classic Fit 1889, and these were $5.99, and then after the half off I got them for $3.15 including tax. These are the jeans, and I really want to make some jean shorts today with stars on this pocket and stripes on this one. I saw this idea on Pinterest and I was like, that would be so easy to recreate and it would be kind of fun, so why not make a video out of it? And these were only $3.15. This is my first DIY, so if you want to see more DIYs on my channel, hit the like button and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell because I would love to have you as part of the family. I am so excited for today's video, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it because I'm super pumped. Okay, so for this DIY, you're gonna need a pair of jeans or jean shorts with preferably clear pockets like this with no design on them, red, white, and some sort of navy blue or just blue paint. Some of these little brushes, a detail brush for the stars, and then something to put your paint in. I just chose these 3 little cups. So to begin, you're going to want to cut your jean shorts if they're jeans. So basically I tried the pants on and got a length to where I wanted them to be cut, and I went ahead and marked that with a Sharpie. So I'm just going to take the jeans and fold them right here at the crotch to make sure that they're laying flat and even, and I'm going to make a dotted line across right here with a ruler and a Sharpie, and then we're going to cut them. Keep in mind you may want to slant a little towards the crotch because you're going to want the back to be a little bit longer because you have to take in the fact that your butt is back here. So I'm going to take my scissors and just cut this legs to make sure that it's nice and straight, and then after I cut this leg, we'll just dot the other side and cut that one as well. Okay, once this part is cut off, you just want to make sure that the other side is still in complete alignment with this side, and then you're just going to dot it again and then cut this leg. Once I have the jeans cut exactly where I want them, I'm just going to tug at it. One thing you can do is take the inseams and match them, and they should come to the same spot because you do want the inseam to be the same length. So I just took mine and folded it, and it looked like one side was a little bit longer than the other, but nothing too drastic. So honestly, I'm not really going to worry about it. I am probably going to end up folding these instead of fraying them at the ends just because I feel like that's going to be a lot easier, and I think I'm going to like it with this design. So now onto the pockets. I'm going to take these 3 cups and fill them with the paint. So I'm going to need 1 navy, 1 red, and 1 white. So just shaking up my paint, I'm just going to pour a little bit into each cup, and we're going to start on the pockets. Okay, once you have your paint, you're just going to take one of these little brushes, and I'm just going to start by painting this entire pocket navy blue. So I'm going to take my navy cup and just go ahead and paint the entire pocket with a layer of blue. Okay, so I tried to keep it within the seams of the pocket. I did originally try and keep the border seam, but it seemed to not really work out too well, and I got a little bit of paint over there, and I'm a little OCD, so I went ahead and just went to the very edge of the pocket. But either way, you can do whatever you like. So now we're going to wait on this to dry. If you don't want to wait on it, you can totally blow dry it, which I think I might do just for the sake of this video. I'm just going to set this one off to the side because we may come back and have to use the blue later. But I'm going to go ahead and blow dry it just to speed up the drying process. Don't laugh at my blow dryer. It is from when I was like 11 years old. I went ahead and blow dried the rolls down, and I feel like they're staying a lot better now that heat was applied to them. This pocket is already dry, so we're just going to go ahead and continue on with this pocket. I'm just going to take this little detail brush right here, dip it into this white, and I'm going to start making some stars. You could totally stencil this, but I think I'm just going to try to freehand it, and then if I mess up, we'll figure it out. Okay, so some of the stars look a little wonky, but I did freehand all of them. So I'm going to let this side dry, and we're going to go ahead and move on to the stripes part of the shorts. That literally took me forever, so it was like 5 seconds for you all, but Definitely took me a really long time. I think I'm gonna start by just painting the entire pocket on the shorts white, and then we're just gonna go over it with the red, because I think that white as a base will just work, and that way we don't have to worry about taping off so many lines. Okay, so now that it is nice and dry, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a second coat of the white, just because the blue of the jeans does still come through quite a bit. So we're just gonna go ahead and apply a second coat, and that should be good as far as the white goes, and then we'll start on our stripes. I'm gonna go ahead and dry the second coat, and then we'll go ahead and mark where our stripes are supposed to be. Okay, so now that our white is dry, I did look up a picture of the American flag, and red is the first stripe. I should have known that, but just had to double check. So you could totally measure out and make these the exact same size and all of that, but I'm just going to kind of eyeball mine. I'm gonna take my detail brush, and I'm just gonna dip into the red paint here. And it does still have white on it, but like, I'm not a professional painter. And I'm just going to mark where the line is supposed to be. Okay, so I went ahead and put a piece of tape here. My camera was acting kind of funny and like telling me it was too hot, so I stopped filming for a second. I'm just gonna take the brush with the white on it because I'm too lazy to clean it out, and I'm just gonna take this and make the stripes with this. Okay, so the red is pretty much dry, and I don't really think that we need a second coat, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take off the tape now. And it looks like I may have not put it down good enough, so it went under the lines, but at least it was probably straighter than it would have been if I tried to just do it by myself. I don't know. It kind of turned out really cute though. I'm just gonna go over all these stars again with another coat of white. I'm gonna go wash out this brush really quick, and then I will show you guys what the shorts look like on. Since you guys already watched me paint these once, I'm just going to go off camera and do them, and then I will come back and show you what the finished product looks like. Okay, so here is what the finished jean shorts look like. I am super proud of them. I really like them. They're a little rough around the edges, but I think they turned out pretty cute overall. So now we're gonna do the try on bit, and hopefully they're long enough and they actually fit. Alright you guys, so that is the end of today's video. If you like this DIY and you think it turned out well, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And let me know down below if you guys want to see more DIYs. I definitely had been wanting a pair of shorts like this for a while, and then just making them myself made a lot more sense. And it was a lot cheaper. In total, I only spent $3.15 on these jean shorts, but I did already have all of the paint and stuff like that. But if you buy all of the supplies together, it should be under $10. Depending on where you get your jean shorts and stuff like that. I hope you guys have an amazing 4th of July, and if you don't live in America, I hope that you still enjoy this video regardless. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye!